Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So buying an S&P 500 investment on public.com is one of the simplest ways to gain exposure to hundreds of major US companies through a single investment. Instead of purchasing individual stocks, you can invest in an S&P 500 ETF that tracks the performance of the index and manage it directly from your public account. Public offers commission-free investing in stocks and ETFs. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to buy S&P 500 on public.com in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing, open the public.com account. So if you don't already have an account, create a public brokerage account, complete identity verification, personal information, account setup. Okay, public allows users to open and invest in accounts online and begin investing after approval. Okay, so then you have to fund your account. Okay, so link your bank account, deposit the amount you want to invest, and wait until the funds are available for trading. Okay, as you can see here in these pictures that we have in our example. So you have to choose the way you are using. Okay, deposit now the money, okay, or funds, and you are in, and that's it, guys. So then open the explore page. So tap explore from the navigation menu, use the search bar to find an S&P 500 ETF. So then search for VO. Okay, type VO into the search bar like this. Okay, and choose it. Select Vanguard S&P 500 ETF from the results, open ETF details page, and then tap buy. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.